T-Mobile Executive Summary by James McCamey Jr. To compete with content marketing, companies need to have a plan, a system, and a process from initiation to publication. Using the content calendar will help to bring organization to your campaign. The calendar will help your team to pre-plan their content in advance and work from a schedule. This will bring consistency in your message as well as your distribution methods. The calendar is the foundation of your content marketing plan. The objectives we wish to achieve are to provide a roadmap for our team to execute the content marketing strategy. This roadmap would dictate the content operation strategy for the team. The consistency this will bring will help us break the noise and reduce content shock so your content stands out among your competitors. Budgets continue to be a primary barrier to companies failing to meet objectives. A content calendar will help to reduce costs while increasing the return on investment. After the Sprint acquisition, T-Mobile will have to redefine their customer base. A content calendar will help to provide the needed data during the content targeting stage. T-Mobile can expand its military outreach by sponsoring existing military events across the country. To provide an avenue for revenue, T-Mobile can execute a content strategy to attract college students through social media during the graduation and back-to-school season. So what provider should we use? Compose helps to organize and distribute content. Their open architecture, large sets of APIs will help to increase the return on investment. Also, Compose collaborates with IBM, a current T-Mobile partner. This will help to streamline business processes. The budget will be primarily used to fund the content planning, content targeting, content distribution, and content measurement stages. Thank you for tuning in.